Are you ready to practice rounding? First, what's a round number? A round number has zeros to the end. Zero, round. Can you see it in the word round? Good, great. Let's start. Rounding practice 1. Repeat after the boss. Who's the boss? The number next to the round number. He tells you what to do. He tells you to round down. He tells you to round up. He tells you to stay low. He tells you to go high. Repeat after the boss. 0 to 4, stay low. 5 to 9, go high. 0 to 4, stay low. 5 to 9, go high. 0 to 4, stay low. 5 to 9, go high. Can you see it on the numbers chart? 23. 3 is 0 to 4, so stay low. 23, round to 20. 68. 8 is 5 to 9, so go high. 68, round to 70. You can create or download in the description below these reminders to reference in your math class throughout the school year. Rounding practice 2. Say the number, then say the round number. Ready? 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 11, 10, 12, 10, 13, 10, 14, 10. You got the idea. Practice on your numbers chart when you have a chance. Ready? 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 15, 20, 16, 20, 17, 20, 18, 20, 19, 20. You got the idea. Practice on your numbers chart when you have a chance. Rounding practice 3. Say low number, then say high number. Low 0, high 10. Low 10, high 20. Low 20, high 30. You can imagine where the numbers go on the numbers chart as you do this. Practice when you have a chance. Quiz time! 1. Say the number on the card. 2. Say the correct phrase. Then 3. Say round to the round number. Ready? 4. 0 to 4, stay low. Round to 0. 5. 5 to 9, go high. Round to 10. 12. 2 is 0 to 4, stay low. Round to 10. 37. 7 is 5 to 9, go high. Round to 40. 99. 9 is 5 to 9, go high. 9 plus 1 is 10, so 100. Round to 100. Yay, you got it! Great job! Are you ready for a bonus? Are you ready for a challenge? Let's see. What is 3,325,000 to the nearest million? Well, first find the rounding digit. That's the first 3 million. Second, listen to the boss to round up, go high, or round down, stay low. Step 3. Add 1 to round up or no change if round down. In this case, the boss is the underlying 3, the second 3. So 0 to 4, stay low, so no change. And step 4. Change the numbers on the right of the rounding digit to zeros. Remember from the beginning that round means zeros to the end? So 3,325,000 to the nearest million is 3 million. Did you get that correct also? Yay! You completed the challenge! My name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching Practice with Ali, Rounding Numbers on Learning Perspective. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more learning videos. Thanks for watching.